Danny Garcia, the former WBC welterweight champion, taking on Showtime Shawn Porter, the former IBF welterweight champ. These are two fighters who basically have been orbiting around each other for quite some time, and now we've got the fight. Danny, I'll ask you, started off with you, and I'll ask you a question that I asked Shawn, had Shawn on the desk last month. Both you and Shawn are so similar. Former world champions, both trained by your fathers, both had that fight, close fights with Keith Thurman. What separates you from Shawn Porter?
You know, first of all, I want to thank God. You know, I want to thank my team, Team Garcia. I want to thank, you know, Ali and Showtime. What separates me from Showtime, Shawn Porter is, you know, I just feel like I'm a better fighter. I'm a better all-around fighter, and you know, I just feel like I'm a better fighter, and that's it.
Shawn, generally, fight fans, when you talk to them about the welterweight division, the two names they say at the top, they'll say Terrence Crawford, they'll say Errol Spence Jr. Kind of forget about Keith Thurman because he's been so inactive. But do you believe the winner of this fight changes that train of thought and that thinking?
Most definitely. And especially the way I'm going to win this fight is going to be, you know, what I do to this man next to me and how it's done, and when I win, there's no, you're going to be wondering whether or not those guys can beat me, whether or not, you know, those guys can really have what it takes to beat me. And you know, that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to put on a great show. I'm here to win this championship and doing a fantastic form.
Danny, there's been this narrative out there that since you've moved up and been a welterweight, that they say Danny Garcia cherry picks his opponents. You heard Keith Thurman try to use that. I saw a skit that Shawn Porter used, doing the same thing. It kind of mocked you about it. Respond to that criticism.
Well, I'm a cherry picker. Don't that make you a cherry? Says everything. I don't have to say much about that.
Shawn, it's a good response. Vegas has Danny as the slight betting favorite to win Saturday night. So give me your thoughts on you going into this fight, ironically as the underdog, considering this is a guy who, as you say, cherry picks his opponents.
That's what I'm used to. I know people have won money on me before, and it wasn't because I was the guy expected to win. You know, so there's gonna be a lot of people out there winning a lot of money, and I'm looking forward to doing what it takes for them to get paid. This is what I do, and I love it. You know, and as I said on the video, he couldn't find a cherry for Saturday. He get in the room with a Pitbull. He know that.